See that top of that tree? It broke off during the wind last night. And it landed right here by my condo. And there's more in the park. It's pretty crazy. Right here. So see across there? You see that one? That tree? This is the Paseo and Peccole Ranch. Look at that. That tree by that house, the whole branch came off and is now on the ground. Craziness. And here's some more damage. I think this damage is from this beautiful tree over here that really got wind blown. It was really pretty, all split into three sides like little tennis balls, and the wind just killed it. Look at that. Wow. Such a bummer. Such destruction. Nothing like wind and rain, huh? Alright, signing off from Peccole Ranch. So sorry this happened to our park. Okay, so I'm a little bit deeper in the park here, and this 30-something-year-old tree just totally got torn out by the roots. Look at that. And look at this guy over here. I don't know, they came and cut him up because he was in the middle of the walkway. Wow. This is crazy. God. I feel bad for them. I should take it home, but I don't even have a fireplace, a gas one, or a wood burning. Oh, it smells good though. It smells like I'm in Mount Charleston. Wow. It totally went against this person's wall. They got a good wall. Didn't knock it down. But look at this tree. Wow. Craziness. Oh well. Vegas, we get that wind. Peccole Ranch, the Paseos, the second tunnel. I think this one goes over Apple. So, just coming a little bit further down the Paseo, and look at this puppy got ripped out. It's taller than me. I'm 5'4". What? What? At least these fences are really strong. These poor trees. We probably didn't give them enough water, so they got ripped out by the wind. Wow. Some craziness. Look at it. There's a wrought iron fence as well. Look at it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So here's another one over by the clubhouse. This is actually the street of Apple and something else, the third tunnel. But look at this. They cut it so people could go through the sidewalk and walk through the tunnel. But just, maybe it was kind of rotted. Look at that. Crazy. What do you think? You think it was rotted? I don't know. People up here playing volleyball. Enjoying this first sunny day in a long time. There's the little play park and the tennis courts behind that. And the Piglet Elementary School there. Piggly Wiggly, something like that. I forget what it's called. Something like big. Siding out. Looks like it tore some of this solar down. It's older solar, but it's still, the wind was really crazy last night. Kind of the day before. My poor Shore Park. March 3rd, 2024.